Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. First, open your Phantom Wallet onto your device. Then you are going to be copying your Solana address that could be found in this receive section. Click on this copy option on Solana at the first place, as you can see, and it is currently copied. You can also use this QR code as well. Now we are going to be heading over to our Binance application. Make sure that you're signed into your account. Head over to your portfolio and then click on takeout. Once you do that, click on withdraw, select Solana from here, enter in here the wallet address, and once you paste that we just copied from Phantom Wallet, we are going to be simply pasting in here. So then we are going to be selecting our Solana here. So you can see we got that here, and make sure to choose Solana and click on this withdraw, and that's how you can easily transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet.